Well, this is completely unrehearsed, but this is kind of how I would go at it. I got a box here. It automatically built hip roofs over it. I use the wall break tool to break that wall there. And oh yeah, then I need to draw a couple more walls. One there, one there. And you can see, since I have auto build roofs on it, just automatically put a hip over it. I'll show you what that looks like. And it built a foundation under it. That's okay. We'll take this wall here, open it for specification, go to the roof tab, tell it to be full gable, and we got a full gable wall there. Okay, now to get rid of the foundation, I'd go down to the 0 level and just get rid of the foundation. Just click on that, move it up. And it's got auto rebuild foundation on it, so yeah, I just turn that off. There you are. Now, if you want this above the foundation, above the floor level for the first floor, well, that's slightly different. Sometimes you have to turn off the automatic functions to get exactly what you want. I'm going to go back up to the first floor. And we'll use an invisible wall to section this little alcove here off from the rest of the house. Now with this wall here, it's got a dialog box just for this area. And I can open that up and tell that to the floor. Let's say it's going to be a window seat. So I'm going to raise the floor to 24 inches above the rest of the first floor. The rest of the first floor is still at 0. Let's see what that did. That's what that did. Now, of course, it leaves a gap there. And how you commonly fix that is with the soffit tool. I'm going to click a soffit right there, move it up into place, and close the gap. Now, soffits are under cabinet tools, and you wouldn't normally think perhaps that this could be used for that, but they're kind of an all-purpose tool as well. I'm going to open the dialog box and tell the thickness, or the depth, excuse me, to be 5/8 inches. Okay, and basically I patched the hole. Okay, I need to make it a little thicker than that. 3/4. I can see a line over here. Now, we'll take the eyedropper tool and click on this siding to pick it up. And you see I've got it set to material painter to component mode, so it'll just paint this material on this object here. And all that leaves is that one little line there, and that I find that's generally good enough. Where's my there? That's what I want. So that's a way to do that. It's not the only way, but that's the most common way. I just manually took the foundation out, and I closed this space off so I could program it separate from the rest of the first floor. Now let's see what it looks like from the inside. Yeah, like that. Of course, this is a room, and in a window seat, you probably wouldn't have uncheck default and then delete the base mold. And you might or might not have hardwood floor. This is just the material it's set for in the defaults for the entire first floor. Go over here and open. No, it's on the structure tab. Floor. Oh. I use Chief Premier most of the time, and there's some slight differences. Okay, we'll get the floor covering here. There it is. And put something different on it. Flooring. Now, we'll give it a kind of a, yeah, I'll put some granite there. And it's just whatever you want, you know. I'm going to just pick something at random and tell that to be the floor. And voila. Now windows, you just use the window tool and put those where you want, the size that you want. that's basically it. That's what I would tell you. Of course, it's not perfect. You know, there's a couple of little lines there, but you know, what do you want for a nickel? I hope this helps you, give you some ideas on how to attack this. It's fairly straightforward. It's just another isolate a room there and then program the room. Thank you.